What's going on, guys, and welcome back to my channel. Finally, here in the Pacific Northwest, we are having some sunny weather. As you can see, temperatures are starting to be above the 50 Fahrenheit, and it's time to apply our pre-emergent. I may be a bit late on this, maybe a week, 10 days. But I have been waiting for some good weather to make this application. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to do subscribe, give me a like, and let's go to the video. First of all, let's discuss why I am applying the pre-emergent, and here basically you need to make a choice. First, I got the backyard renovated last year, and there are of course still thin spots that they will need to get filled. So if I will live in this way. I will give the more space for the weed to grow up and to take place. Second, of course, I wish, and I'm trying to prevent to don't fight the weeds during, of course, the upcoming month, but rather than enjoy the lawn and keep the lawn nice and tight, and so perhaps also trying to in this way to use less chemicals during the growing season. The pre-emergent of choice that I got this year is the Prodiamine 65 WG. It's from Sunniland Corporation, and this one I will, if you are interested, I will leave a link into the description below. And really what I like of this product is that you don't really need much of, so this basically will last for a long time. In fact, I'm going to apply today only 8 grams per 1,000 square feet, and I am lucky enough, let's say, that this area, the backyard for me, is just about 1,000 square feet. So I will just need to mix 1 gallon of product and job done. This product, after sprayed, will need to be watering with a half inch. If there is rain in the forecast, you can let the rain do the job. For me, will not be the case, as luckily and finally here we are getting this week of sun. Now, one of the best way to learn in the end of the day is to make errors. I am not a professional. I am just an amateur which likes his lawn. So this year for me is actually the first year and first time that I'm using the Prodiamine. I mean, in the end of the day, if I will make an error, and the worst case scenario can be that I'll probably burn my lawn, I will make it again. So you need to go out and try things. You don't need to be afraid. That's what I'm trying to say. You don't need to be afraid to test a new product and see how it goes in your lawn. But remember to read always the label. Read always the label, because all the information you really need are there. As long as you read the label and you kind of play safe on things, there is nothing to worry about. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead. Let's weight the product, mix the product, and spray. Stay tuned. use a chemical, don't forget to, as much as you can, don't forget to use the PP. Beginning of my journey, I have definitely done this kind of mistakes, but you will. There is always time to improve. In fact, here you go. I have not even started yet, and I have already the product on my gloves and so on. So if I was not having the gloves, this for sure would have been entered in my skin, and look how much it is already. So let's mix the product and let's go to spray. We have done our application of Prodiamine now, so what we have left is to watering. So guys, here is the thing: if you have not applied your Pre-Emergent yet and you are into the window, go ahead and apply your Pre-Emergent. Don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. I hope you guys enjoyed the today video, and I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching.